everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you an eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to know how to do your eyebrows the way I do my eyebrows, just keep on watching. Before I get into the video, I want everybody to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post my next video. First, I am going to clean my brows so that there won't be any oil or dirt once I start filling them in. Now I am just brushing out my brows. Just make sure you brush them out so that they look neat and clean. This is the Ardell Dark Brown Brow Pomade I'm using to fill in my brows. All I do is just underline underneath my brows and just fill in the rest. Once you're done filling in your brows, it's very important to blend them out, because if you don't, then they'll look very dark, very thick. So it's very important to blend them out. I like the ombre effect, so that's why I'm brushing more at the ends of my brows, well, at the beginning of my brows. But you can do whatever you want to do. I just like to do the ombre effect because it makes it look more natural. Now it's time to conceal. You do the same exact thing as you did before. Just underline underneath your brows. Make sure you do it very precise and neat so that your brows will be precise and neat. Concealing is very important because it cleans up all your flaws. If you messed up, the concealer will fix it. I don't like to conceal my whole entire eyebrow. I just do like the tail end and underneath, because I feel like it makes it look kind of fake, as you can say. I like for my eyebrows to look really natural, so that's why I do this. But you can do whatever you feel like fits you best, but I feel like this fits me best. Now it's time to blend all that concealer out. Just blend, blend, blend until you really can't see it anymore. When I'm done blending out my concealer, I like to take my foundation brush and just blend out some more so it won't look as white around my eyes. Once you're done blending everything out, you are all done. This is the finished product. Well, everybody, that concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to do my eyebrows. So, yeah, I think they look pretty good. Excuse my broken nail, I'm sorry, y'all. I think they turned out pretty good. I never really do my eyebrows anymore, so I had to dust myself off, and they look pretty good. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button below and stay tuned for more videos.